Hi guys, welcome to Pedro Wheels. We want to feature two items that we have from SR Performance. Number one is the farm jack. Red color at 48 inches lift. So yan, close up natin. So this is necessity syempre sa mga nag-off-road. And we also have 60 inches size for this one. And next is SR Performance shovel. So ayan siya, chrome color. We also have this in matte black color and neochrome or titanium. So guys, ito may susi siya para iwas nakaw. Yan. I mean, this is the lock. This is the key. So what you do is attach natin siya dito. Yan. Ito yung lock niya. Magkiklik lang siya ng ganyan. And then, sususihan natin siya. So, secured na siya. And then, ito yung bracket. Pwede natin siya ilagay sa likod ng sasakyan. So, ganito kalalabasan niya. Parang nakatornilyo siya ng ganyan. Baba natin. Anyway, just to show you. Ganyan siya. So if you guys are interested, just message us sa Pedro Wheels Philippines Facebook page. Bye!